Oh, what a big surprise. Hello, Nathan Featherdale here, the famous bird watcher. Yes, I love all feathered friends, birds big and small. And I'm in a very amazing place today, the kitchen sink swamp, looking for two very special birds. The first one being the saucepan-headed stork with very long legs and the waddling whiskered bird. Yes, two very special birds indeed. Oh, I've got my bird binoculars to help me spot them, and I've got my bird feathered hat. Yes, so they know that I'm very friendly. Let's take a look around the swamp. Feathered friends are all around, watching birds that waddle on the ground, or birds that perch on trees, or splash in the water, or fly or flap or run. Watching birds, you really ought to try it. It's such fun. Now, the saucepan-headed stork is a water bird. Well, there's the water there. Perhaps I could hide behind the teapot stone there. Yes, and wait for it to come out. Or maybe I could try a bird call. Now, the saucepan-headed stork sounds like this. Clang, clang, clang. Oh, there it is, over there. A saucepan head, long legs. Yes, it's a saucepan-headed stork, all right. A magnificent bird. I wonder if I'll be able to take its photo. Clang, clang, clang. Hello there, feathered friend. Do you mind if I take your photo? Oh, magnificent. That'd be fantastic for my bird photo collection. Thank you very much. A most unusual bird. Now, I wonder if I'll be lucky enough to see the waddling whiskered bird. Now, they like to hide low in the bushes and scratch around in the spoon and fork reeds. Maybe there's one nearby. Feathered friends are all around, watching birds that waddle on the ground, or birds that perch on trees, or splash in the water, or fly or flap or run. Watching birds, you really ought to try it. It's such fun. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Do you hear that? The distinctive call of the whiskered bird. Yes. There it is. Look. Whisk-like feathers and waddling low to the ground. I'd love to take its photo, but they're very, very shy. Oh! I think it nearly saw me. Oh, but it's running away. I hope I didn't frighten it.
Gotcha! That'll make a great picture for my bird watcher collection.
Well, I never. What a cheeky bird.